Are you spending hours writing product descriptions, captions, or shop announcements for your Etsy store only to feel stuck or overwhelmed? You're not alone. Many Etsy sellers start with creativity, but get bogged down by writing and marketing tasks. The good news is that AI tools like ChatGPT can save you a huge amount of time and effort. In this video, I'll show you 10 powerful ChatGPT prompts that every Etsy seller should know. These prompts can help you write better descriptions, improve your shop's SEO, engage with customers, and even boost your sales. The best part? They're simple enough for beginners, but powerful enough for experienced shop owners. Prompt number 1. A great product description can be the difference between a sale and a missed opportunity. It's not just about describing what the product is. It's about telling a mini story that makes the buyer feel like they need it. Write a compelling product description for a product type that highlights its key features, benefits, and makes it appealing to target audience. Keep the tone friendly, elegant, playful, etc. Example: if you sell handmade ceramic mugs, ChatGPT can help highlight the craftsmanship, the cozy feel of using it for morning coffee, and even the unique glaze that makes each mug one of a kind. This approach not only saves you time, but also creates descriptions that connect emotionally with customers. Prompt number 2. SEO-friendly title generator. Your product titles are one of the first things Etsy's search algorithm looks at. A well-optimized title means your product is more likely to show up in search results. Generate 10 Etsy product title options for a product using popular search keywords while keeping it under 140 characters. Example: if you're selling a lavender-scented candle, ChatGPT can generate titles like handmade lavender soy candle, relaxing aromatherapy, home, decor. These titles combine key search terms with descriptive words that attract buyers. Prompt number 3, tag and keyword creator. Etsy allows up to 13 tags for each listing, and using the right ones can boost your visibility. Create 13 high-ranking Etsy tags for a product based on current trends. Example: if you're selling wedding invitations, you can ask ChatGPT to include seasonal and trending tags like rustic wedding invite, printable wedding templates, boho wedding stationery. This makes your listing easier to discover. Prompt number 4, social media caption wizard. Promoting your shop on social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, or TikTok is essential for growth. Writing fresh captions, however, can be exhausting. Write 5 engaging Instagram captions for a product or shop theme, each with a call to action and relevant hashtags. Example: if you're showcasing a new jewelry collection, you can ask for captions that highlight its uniqueness, use storytelling to captivate your audience, and end with a call to action such as tap the link in bio to shop now. Prompt number 5, customer service helper. Good customer service builds trust and keeps people coming back. Writing polite and professional responses, especially when you're stressed, can be hard. Write a polite, professional response to a customer asking about shipping delays, refunds, custom orders, etc. Example: for a delayed order, ChatGPT can draft a message like, "Thank you so much for your patience. We apologize for the delay in shipping your order. It's on its way, and we'll share tracking details shortly." This saves time and helps you communicate consistently across all customer interactions. Prompt number 6, shop announcement draft. Your Etsy shop announcement is like a welcome sign. A strong one can make visitors feel connected right away. Prompt: write a welcoming and friendly Etsy shop announcement that highlights your product's new arrivals or seasonal promotions. Example: you can use ChatGPT to create cheerful messages like, "Welcome to our shop. Explore our new spring collection and enjoy free shipping on all orders this week." Updating your announcement regularly also signals to customers that your shop is active. Prompt number 7, seasonal promotion planner. Seasonal promotions drive big sales. Writing the right promotional copy for events like Black Friday or Valentine's Day can make a huge difference. Prompt: write a promotional message for a holiday sale or seasonal event, encouraging customers to shop before deadline. Example: for a Mother's Day sale, ChatGPT can write something like, "Celebrate mom with a special handmade gift. Enjoy 15% off all items. Order by May 5th to get it delivered in time." Prompt number 8, thank you note. A personalized thank you note makes your customers feel appreciated and can turn one-time buyers into repeat customers. Prompt: Write a short, warm thank you message for Etsy customers that includes a discount code for their next purchase. Example, thank you so much for supporting our small business. As a token of our appreciation, here's 10% off your next order with code thank you 10. You can print this on a card or include it in your packaging. Prompt number 9, blog or newsletter content writer. Keeping your customers engaged after their first purchase is key to building long-term relationships and turning one-time buyers into loyal fans of your brand. Consistent, thoughtful communication helps customers feel connected to your story and values, which often leads to repeat purchases and word-of-mouth referrals. Prompt: write a 300-word blog post newsletter introducing a new product collection with a story that connects emotionally with customers. For example, if you're launching a new line of eco-friendly tote bags, you can ask ChatGPT to help craft a heartfelt story that explains the inspiration behind the collection. It might include how your commitment to sustainability started, the materials you chose and why they matter, and how each purchase supports a cleaner planet. By weaving in personal touches, like sharing a moment or experience that motivated you to create the collection, you can draw your audience in and help them feel like they're part of something meaningful. ChatGPT can also help you frame a gentle call to action, such as inviting readers to explore the new arrivals, check out limited edition designs, or share the collection with friends who care about sustainability. This approach transforms a simple product announcement into an engaging story that strengthens the bond between your brand and your customers, encouraging them to come back for more. Prompt number 10, Market Research Assistant. Understanding your competition is one of the smartest moves you can make as a seller because it shows you what's already working in the market and highlights areas where you can do better. Analyze the top-selling Etsy listings for product type and list 5 ways I can make my product stand out. When you give ChatGPT a prompt like this, it can quickly identify gaps or opportunities that you might miss by just browsing on your own. For example, it might reveal that most top-selling products in your niche lack certain color options, don't offer enough personalization, or could be improved with better packaging and presentation. It might also suggest ways to differentiate your product through pricing strategies, bundles, or unique marketing angles. By using these insights, you can refine your product designs, adjust your branding, and focus on the features that set you apart from competitors. This kind of data-driven approach takes the guesswork out of running your Etsy shop and helps you make smarter, more confident business decisions. Prompt number 11, Review Response Generator. Positive or negative, responding to customer reviews shows professionalism and care. Write a warm, appreciative response to a positive review for product and a polite, solution-focused reply to a critical review. Example, for a positive review, thank you so much for your kind words. We're thrilled you love your order. For a critical review, we're sorry to hear about your experience. Please reach out so we can make it right. Your feedback helps us improve. Responding to reviews can help build trust and even turn unhappy buyers into repeat customers. ChatGPT isn't just a writing assistant, it's a powerful partner that can help you save time, improve your shop's presentation, and stay focused on the creative work you love. By using these 10 prompts, you can work smarter, attract more customers, and give your Etsy business the boost it deserves. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Etsy and AI tips, and share in the comments which prompt you're most excited to try first.